In this video, I want to show you how to set the coordinate reference system of your project in ArcGIS. It's very advisable that when you want to start a new project in ArcGIS, you define your coordinate reference system before you start bringing in data. To do that, when you open a new project in ArcGIS, it's either you come to this layer, right-click and click on Properties. This will open data frame property. Alternatively, you can come to View and click on Data Frame Properties. Then, when it opens, come to Coordinate System. This is Coordinate System where you can define the coordinate reference system of your project. Now, there are two major options here. It's either you are working with Geographic Coordinate System or Projected Coordinate System. If you want to set your project to Geographic Coordinate System, come here and expand this Geographic Coordinate System. Then scroll down, go to World, scroll down and check if you want to set it to WGS 84. This is it, and click on OK. Alternatively, let me cancel it. If you want projected, click on View, come to Properties. So this time around, if you want it to be projected coordinate system, click on this projected coordinate system to expand it. Scroll down and come to UTM. Scroll down and come to WGS 1984. Click to expand it. Then choose your hemisphere. For instance, I'm doing video from Nigeria, which belongs to Northern Hemisphere. I'll expand it here and scroll down and look for my UTM zone. The place where I am, for instance, belongs to zone 32. So I'll click on it and click on OK. So once I do that, I've set my coordinate reference system, and I can verify by right-clicking here, come to Properties. You can see the current coordinate system is WGS 1984 UTM zone 32. So after I've set the coordinate reference system, I can now start bringing in data. This makes it easier for us and prevent issue of analysis error later in the project. So by setting the coordinate system, it helps your data frame to be defined, and also when you bring in data, there will be no conflicts. So this is how to define or set coordinate reference system of your project in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.